Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add pictures over on Instagram. I'm going to run you guys step by step on how you can add pictures over to Instagram and also some additional features with Instagram pictures. So first of all, in order to actually add or upload a picture basically over on Instagram, what you need to do is open the Instagram app just like this. Once you've done that, you can head over to your profile, and then right here this will be your profile. And then what you need to do is click on that plus icon at the bottom of the taskbar basically. And then in order to add a picture basically over on Instagram, what you need to do is, instead of going on Reel right now, click on Post. So you may already be at Post, but if you're already on Reel basically at the bottom of that taskbar, just click on Post and then you will right here be at Post. What you now need to do is just select the photo you want to use over for your picture that you want to upload. So I'm going to use this one, and once I've done that, just click on next right here. Once you've done that, you will most likely get to this page, and here you have a few things. You can basically edit your picture right here just before you are uploading it to Instagram. So you can add some filters, you can edit it by adjusting the brightness, contrast and all those kind of things. You can also add some other things right here. Basically you can just play around with it, and you can also add music to your post basically just by searching right here. So yeah, that are basically the features we have right here. If you're done with editing your post, what you can do is go to the top right corner of your screen, click on next. And then you will get to this post, and we're almost done basically posting or adding a picture to our Instagram account. So the first thing you may want to do, which is quite popular, is just adding a description over to your Instagram post. So you can type whatever you want. Currently I've just set a test. Now once you've added a description, you can also tag some people, you can add reminders, you can change who can see this picture. You can also add a location, you can also add the music right here, and then some additional features. But yeah, basically the most important ones are just adding a description, and you may also want to add a location, or you may want to tag some people. And basically once you're done with that, make sure that it says audience everyone if you want to show it to everyone. Then just click on share, and what you then need to do is you click on keep current settings, and basically once you've done that, you can literally just see right here with this blue little loading bar when it's uploaded. And basically once it's uploaded, you can just refresh your page right here, your account basically, and you will notice that a new picture has been uploaded to your Instagram account. And that's basically what you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.